Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare BMW 3 Series versus Audi A3. We'll start by looking at their performance. The BMW 3 Series is known for its powerful engine options, including a robust 3.0-liter inline-six. In contrast, the Audi A3 typically features efficient turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engines. While the 3 Series often boasts over 250 horsepower, the A3 prioritizes agile city driving and responsive handling, making it a great choice for urban environments. Moving inside, the BMW 3 Series presents a driver-focused cockpit, adorned with premium materials and the intuitive iDrive system. The Audi A3, on the other hand, embraces a minimalist design, highlighted by its impressive virtual cockpit and MMI infotainment. For passengers, the 3 Series offers more generous rear legroom, around 35 inches. Both vehicles come equipped with essential safety features, including automatic emergency braking, ensuring peace of mind. When it comes to driving dynamics, the BMW 3 Series truly shines with its sporty handling and a perfectly balanced chassis, offering an engaging experience for enthusiasts. The Audi A3, however, provides a smooth and composed ride, making it an excellent choice for daily commutes and urban navigation. In terms of practicality, the 3 Series boasts a larger trunk capacity, approximately 17 cubic feet, while the A3's compact dimensions simplify parking in crowded areas. Finally, let's consider value and pricing. The BMW 3 Series typically has a higher starting price, often exceeding $45,000, reflecting its premium positioning. In contrast, the Audi A3 offers a more accessible entry point, usually starting around $35,000. Both models maintain strong resale values and provide numerous customization options. Before you go, make sure to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.